Hi everyone and welcome back. At Stealthy Wood, we work with several suppliers, each one providing us with one or two types of products. As we want to automate our purchase process as much as possible, we're thinking about using blanket orders for some of our purchases. These are confirmed long-term orders for supplying specified goods for a fixed period or for a fixed quantity. Doing this will allow us to group purchases that would otherwise happen over an extended period and also receive discounts based on quantity. It's also a great way to simplify the ordering process for items that are repeatedly ordered. Rather than creating 100 different purchase orders, we can create a blanket order and receive the products in multiple deliveries. Doing so, it eliminates the need to search for new suppliers or renegotiate terms and prices of a contract. So let's see how this works in our database. All right, here I am on my database. Let's go ahead and jump to the purchase application. Then from here, we're going to go to Configuration, Purchase Agreement Types. Now, before you do this, you do want to be sure that the option Purchase Agreements is activated from the settings page, but we already activated it. So let's go ahead and check out our blanket order. All right, we're going to click on Edit. Okay, of course, we have our agreement type, blanket order. We also have our agreement selection type. So by default, this is going to be select multiple RFQs. All right, and I'm not going to change this. I'm going to leave it the way that it is. We also have some options set for adding data to new quotations. So here we're saying that we would like to use the lines of agreement, meaning that when we create a new quotation, the product lines that we added to the blanket order will also be added to new quotations as well automatically. We also want to set quantities manually, okay? So we don't want this to be automatically added when we create a new quotation. We want to do that ourselves. So let's click on Save and see how this works. So we're going to go to Purchase, Purchase Agreements, Create. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and say that I'm the purchase representative. Okay, and we want to be sure we change the agreement type from call for tender to blanket order. Once we do that, we'll have to add the vendor. So let's go ahead and add Gemini Furniture. All right, then we can add the agreement deadline. So actually with Gemini, I have a deal. I said that I would buy 100 items of one of their products if they give me a deal. And they said, okay, I'll give you a discount on that item, except you have to purchase the entire quantity that we agreed on within a month. So I'm going to make the agreement deadline a month from today. Okay, so let's say the 29th of May. Okay, and then I'm going to add the products. So let's say drawer. And we said that if I purchase 100 drawers, then the unit price will only be $8. Okay, so it's a really good deal. Okay, right now we still see that it's in the draft stage, but we're going to go ahead and save and confirm this, which makes it move from the draft stage to ongoing, and then we will be able to create new quotations directly from the blanket order. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, the product is added automatically, but we do need to add the quantity ourselves. Okay, we're going to save and confirm. Now, once we have this RFQ confirmed, we can go back to the blanket order and we'll see that the ordered quantity has changed here. So now we have ordered 15 units, okay? And if we create another RFQ and add more products, this total will change. The ordered quantity will change. We can even have an overview of all of the RFQs related to this blanket order by clicking on this button right here. Okay, we see that we've only created one, but if we had multiple, we would be able to see all of the details right here. Now, something else that happens when you create a blanket order, it will add this vendor on the product forms. Let's go ahead and check that out right now. We'll go to the Purchase tab. Okay, and now we see that Gemini Furniture has been added to the product form, all right? And we see the price that's related to the blanket order, all right? So we have all of this information right here. We have it on the product form as well as on the blanket order. So it's super convenient. To do this is so easy. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.